Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize text box in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document. Then insert a text box. Go to the three dot drop down menu. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option. Now we can see here a text box and showing the cursor. You can write anything. Now I am write some text. Then you can increase the size of text. Select the text and go back the format menu and increase the size. Now we want to change the size of text box or resize this. Select this arrow icon and resize this. Now we can see we resize the text box easily. You can resize this text box manually. We can see here the wide and height option. Now I am make the wide 400 and the height is 200. Press enter. We can see we resize the text box easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.